Hello friends, in this session we will discuss on SQL, that is structured query language. So it is a database language. It is designed for managing data in relational database management system. So it could be with MySQL database, Oracle, MS SQL and any other databases. So these databases use it to save the large amount of data in a hard disk, and this will be in the table format in a DB level. So example, MySQL store the data in a two files. One has structure of the table, another one has data of the table. And index stores in another file. That is comes under a different section. We will discuss it in upcoming videos. So based on the databases, data stores in a different files. So if we need data, then we cannot go and bring the data from those files directly. Instead, we have a language called SQL. Using SQL, we can fetch the data, we can add in new data, delete the data, and we can perform so many operations on this table. So example, as I told, all databases store the data as a table format, right? So in next slide, you can see that there is a table called employee list. So it has an employee name, location of the employee, and ID of those employees. So if you need a Hyderabad employee list, then we just write a query based upon that. So we will get the who are all there in, I mean, list of employee names we will get for the Hyderabad location. Similarly, we can insert a new employee name also. So we can update for existing employee also. So if we need a John employee name, ID is a different. Wrong. If you think ID is a 1010, but here it has updated wrongly. So we can update for that ID alone also. So like this, we will create the table, drop the table, insert, update the table. So everything will perform. So this all comes under a DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL commands. So these all are we will discuss in a upcoming videos. So basically SQL is used to communicate with the databases. So this is the end of this session. So hope everyone understand. You can message me in or comment box if you have any queries. I will clear all your queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.